And once they ride on the dance floor, you've been waiting all winter long, hearing them go on and on, just so you can prove them all wrong. Only thing that matters is who turns the big and on.
What's up, everybody? We are back. PJ North Racing. We're getting ready to work on the Super Stalker, man. We're going to pull out the carpet, which is button snapped in, which is awesome. I love that they did that originally, man. It's the way it was done. It's incredible. It goes around the roll cage correctly and all that stuff. So pretty cool. So we're going to pull that out so it's out of the way. We'll start pulling out the wiring. I got the K&R switch panel to go here, so the wiring's a little easier for me in that setup. Obviously I'm keeping my digital delay dialing boards and all that stuff, so should be cool. Then we're going to measure for the brakes. We're going to get those ordered from Mosier. Shout out to my guy Justin Mosier and Mosier Engineering. I've been a user of theirs for my entire life. My dad was a dealer and did a lot of Fab 9 stuff forever for people, and so we've been Mosier people forever, so love continuing to work with them. So we got a lot on our plate to do. Check on our list, and let's see what's going on. Update on the list. Got the wiring kit ordered. Shifter, Tyler's got it. I don't know if it's going to get painted like he said, but he's got it. Got rid of the bucket seats. Those sold in less than 24 hours. Old tack and MSD two-step, got that sold. And then got the trans dropped off with Jeremiah, so we're excited to get that done. 208, all lightweight stuff. Try to get that thing to run. So I already removed Matt's trans. I should have marked that off. Remove the gauge clusters and remove seats. I've done all those things. So look at me. Get the brake-in fluid order. That's next. Then rewire and all that stuff. So things to do. Still got a lot of stuff to buy, which is always not fun. But we're excited about this one right here, new fire suit. I got something new. I'm pretty excited. So we're getting it designed right now. We're pretty excited for it. So let me know how your guys' list is in the comments. How's your to-do list for the winter started already? Like I said, it's only the end of October, but we're getting close. All right, so we got these coming out. Brakes coming off. We got these some measurements for some other information, but it's got the 12-bolt Chevy pattern for all that stuff. So we'll get a few other things measured, and then we'll keep it moving. All right, about to unbox our new wiring kit here. Maybe. Don't cut myself first. Shout out to K&R Performance. I ordered this. Obviously, being a part of this Bracket Racing Elite, you get a discount, so that's kind of nice. Save you a little bit of money. But, got the wiring kit. Comes with the wiring schematic, which is super cool. I know that this is like a big help. And then we ended up with the gloss black wiring kit. So we're excited. You get this thing in there. It's going to go in where I think where the radio delete is. So it should be good. We're going to get started sooner than later. Chance Parker's going to come help us out because he sent us a new board. So we're excited to get it started. Another day. Still trying to get wiring pulled out. Shifter pulled out. The Tyler sent me that we got the other shifter, so that's good. So we're making progress, just a little bit at a time, you know what I mean? One day at a time. Let's see how it goes. These are the type of friends I got, baby. L&D Mounting Solutions. Shout out to Chance. Follow him on Facebook. Do all that stuff, man. Obviously, you know, like I'm a supporter, right? So I wanted to support the business. I was like, hey, I'm rewiring my car. Let's get one of these boards going. So we're getting ready to put this in the, I'm getting ready to lay it out, see what it looks like. And again, L&D Mounting Solutions. Check them out. Here's the K&R Performance Wiring document, which makes it super easy. So, door car application. Here's to hoping me and Chance can make this thing work. All right. A little layout action. What do you know about the podcast right there? Turned out pretty cool. So yeah, man, this is the boards he makes. Obviously, you run the wires through, you know, the slots and everything, and that's kind of how they're run. And you've got the shrink wrap that'll go on there that'll tell you which, you know, wires which. So looking pretty good. What's up? If you've been listening to the BOO Take 00 show with myself and Tyler, then you know I'm getting ready to do a NASCAR 25 league with a bunch of friends. Join in.
There's weekly payouts. We're going to pay out a series champion. It's a 10-race schedule starting next Tuesday, the 18th. We're doing a preseason race, the 11th. So you can join us. All you got to do is hit us right here. Make sure you follow the BOO Take OO channel right here. Hit them up. Comment on this video if you're in. It's PlayStation 5, NASCAR 25. We're doing a NASCAR series. We're taking it back. It's the BOO Take OO Winston Cup series. It's a 10-race series. I'm very excited. So let me know if you want in. We're taking entries. It's $50 to enter, and we're paying out 100% payback. All of it. We're doing it. So make sure you comment on the video. Make sure you follow right here, BOO Take OO Show on YouTube. Follow out our weekly show every Tuesday night. It's going to be the races right after that. So all you got to do is hit that follow button. Make sure you subscribe to them. But comment right here. Shoot me a message. DM me. Facebook me. However you got to do it. Get a hold of me. We're looking for racers to join us. NASCAR 25 on PlayStation 5 for the BOO Take OO Winston Cup.
It's another day in the teardown of the Super Stalker. We got most of the wiring out yesterday. Finally got an axle out. Fixing to take off the brakes. So I'm going to take off the driver axle as well. Ordering some brakes from Mosier. Get those set up. I got to get the fronts off so I can measure and do whatever I got to do for that. So yeah, we're making progress. Slowly but surely. But let's take off these brakes. First of all, we're going to take off this other axle. We're going to do some measuring. So let's do that. All right. Rear brakes are off. You can see it's got that 12 bolt style housing ends there that match up to it. So 12 bolt housing ends that match up to it. So I think I've got a bent bracket. I mean, that looks bent, right? That 4-link bracket. I don't know if it's supposed to be like that. I don't know. Gotta check that out too. So we validated 12 bolt there and everything. So up next, we're gonna take the fronts off and see what we got to do there. Get those brakes, front brakes off, and then we'll be ready to order some parts. What's up? We're doing it. We got to finish winterizing the cars. I got antifreeze, but I unhooked the water pump and everything in this, so my Super Stalker got to drain the block and then run it back through, but we'll get there. And then do the same thing on the bracket car. Got my brakes in, so we'll go through those. A lot of progress being made. We've got stuff ordered. Chances coming through to help me wire this thing. So we got a lot going on. It's winter time. I want to know what y'all are working on though. Let me know in the comments what y'all are working on. We're doing it. Another day. This is the last day of the first really iteration of rebuilding the we're kind of Frankensteining this thing. We're doing it all, getting it all apart. I got the brakes off. I've got the axles out of the back. Today we're going to finish cleaning underneath the car, underneath the back end. I've seen Justin Lamb do it, his dad, and it always looks so sick. Their stuff is so clean. I'm like, all right, maybe I should do a little bit of that. So we're going to finish cleaning underneath the car, get that stuff off. Like I said, I think we're going to figure out if the 4-link is messed up or whatnot. So we're going to do some cleaning, get some other stuff together. But let's take a look at what we got so far that we've bought. We got brakes came in, so let's check out those. Brakes. Brand new Mosier rear brakes here. I checked them. They fit on the axle. So we're going to try to get those mounted here soon. The only thing I don't really know is, does it mount to the original, or not mount, does the original brake line hook up? I think it does. So we're going to check that out and see if that doesn't work out. But yeah, all the brakes are there. The fronts coming from Willwood. Obviously, Mosier doesn't make fronts, but they do sell the Willwood stuff. So Willwood's coming in, and we'll get those. But I'm going to take this front shock off just to see what I've got, see what it measures and all that stuff. And then, just because it does sit a little weird. So we're going to check that out as well. So on to the next thing. All right, so here's a little before. You see it's just kind of caked on there and whatnot, but we'll clean it up a little bit. Let's see a little after.
What are you doing out here?
Trying to get the rubber off of it. A lot of dirt in here. Much better. You can see the welds and everything now. Now we're getting into it. So Looks pretty good. There. Finished cleaning the rear end behind, getting the shocks and everything, and keep going from there.
Once they ride on the dance floor, you've been waiting all winter long, hearing them go on and on, just so you can prove them all wrong. Only thing that matters is who turns the big